Keurig machine is clogged big time. What I'm trying to unclog it by using something thin to go through the nozzle. Right, let's do it. So first you can see the pressure buildup. Look here, see this? This is the nozzle. I'm gonna try to get something thin to go through. This is the nozzle. I'm gonna clean it, and this one goes like this here, like this. So I'm removing this O-ring or the ring gasket. Then I get something thin to go through clean the nozzle. So I got something thin. It's wooden, going like this. So I'm getting something like that, something really thin, go like this. I'm gonna go this way too. And I'm gonna put this back like that. I cleaned the area. No dirt, it's not dirt, it was just like coffee. Then I'm gonna run it, see if this can get better. I need to put some water. Look at that, fixed. Alright, hopefully the video helped you guys fixing your own coffee machine. Subscribe to the channel.